Welcome to the Reiki Gem Wellness channel. Today we're going to be doing a guided meditation with the crystal selenite, the stone of expansion. For those who are new to the channel, my name is Shannon and I'm a certified Reiki master and teacher and a certified gemologist, and I combine those skills and passions to provide you with the knowledge, tools, and opportunities to practice incorporating crystal healing into your daily life. And if you're interested in exploring all sorts of gemstones and crystals and learning how to use them in your everyday life, then make sure to hit the subscribe button, because today we're going to be doing a guided meditation designed specifically for selenite. So if you have some selenite, then you might want to go and get that now and put that to the side. But you don't need this crystal to benefit from this guided meditation right now. Sit through the meditation, and if any of the prompts or situations that I bring up really speak to you or trigger you, then that's a sign that you should pick up some selenite and work with that some more. And if you haven't already watched the video, Improving Your Life with Selenite, I'll link that up in the eye above. You may want to pause this video and go watch that one. It's not very long, so that you can get a feel for the supportive and healing benefits of selenite before we start into this meditation. If you find that selenite is a gemstone that you would like to work with more, then I do often have selenite pendants in my online crystal healing store, and I'll leave the link to that in the description below. So the last thing you'll need before we start in on this guided meditation is a comfortable seat. Whether it's on a cushion on the floor, in a chair, or directly on the ground outside, the most important thing is that you can stay alert, that you don't get sleepy, and that you'll be comfortable for about 10 to 15 minutes as we sit through the guided meditation. So if you have your selenite, or you're ready to picture it in your mind, and you have your comfortable seat, then let's get started. So I invite you to close your eyes and start taking some deep, slow breaths. How does it feel to you to breathe right now? Is it smooth and easy, or is there some tightness? Just look how it feels to breathe. And then bring your attention to your body. And how is it feeling right now? Are there any places with discomfort? And then is your mind and your emotions? And we're not trying to change anything or judge anything. We're just checking in with ourselves to see what's going on with us right now at the beginning of this meditation. And bring your attention to those places on your body that are in contact with the cushion or the chair or the floor beneath you. And know that you are sitting on top of the entire earth and directly over the center of the earth. You're in contact with all of the energy of the earth. And the entire earth will support you during this meditation today. And if you have a piece of selenite, then pick that up and place that in your non-dominant hand. This is your receiving hand and will receive the energy of the selenite. And if you don't have selenite with you today, then just picture a white crystal, a pure, solid white crystal in your mind. And if you're holding the selenite, then take a minute to feel it, to hold it, see how much it weighs, feel the texture, the places where it's smooth, places where it might be rough, and get to know your piece of selenite. Notice if anything has changed in your heart and body and mind since you've picked up the selenite crystal. And imagine a bright white light emerging from the crown of your head, the very top of your head. And this light expands to completely envelop you and hold you. And its soft, gentle energy cleanses your aura, dissolves attachments, and soothes your troubles. And sit with this image of selenite energy for a minute. Selenite is the stone of expansion. And as you sit holding the selenite or imagining it in your mind, consider the following situations and how it may apply to your life right now. Do you feel you need a deep cleansing of your home or personal energy or aura system? An intense energetic cleansing? Do you want to tap into unbound universal wisdom and guidance? Are you open to strengthen psychic abilities that involve receiving messages like tarot reading, channeling, or prophetic dreaming? Are there habits, reactions, or addictions in your life that you don't know where they initiated or have a hard time releasing? Is there an important decision you need to make about your future? All of these situations are supported by selenite. And if there was one scenario that stood out to you more than the others, then bring that back to you. Bring it back to your heart and your body and your energy. And think about that situation while you hold or imagine the selenite crystal. We're going to sit with that for a minute or two. Notice if anything changes about the way that you feel about the situation as you hold the selenite. And has anything changed in your body, your heart, and your mind since you started this meditation? And we're not trying to fix anything or make anything happen. It's just important to notice any changes. And then release the situation you were thinking about and the image of the selenite energy. And just come back to your breathing. Release everything but your breathing. And when you feel ready, then open your eyes. Thank you so much for joining me today to sit with this guided meditation with selenite, the stone of expansion. And I hope that you found this useful. And if you feel like selenite is a stone you'd like to work with some more, then these meditations are meant to be repeated about 2 to 3 times a week for a couple of weeks until you can really easily and quickly call up the energy of the selenite stone right when you need it. Like you feel like your area needs cleansing or you're mulling a decision, then you can pick it up and you have what you need. That is the essence of crystal healing and how you can incorporate it into your daily life. And on a side note, for those who are pay attention to animal signs, you may have heard a bird loudly cooing and building a nest in a window right by me. I definitely heard that. So we tend to have mockingbirds and mourning doves in our neighborhood. So if that is a sign for you, then take that as you need. So if you're new to this channel, I post about a new gemstone every single week. On Thursdays, I post an informative video about the healing and supportive benefits of that gemstone, and on Saturdays, I post a guided meditation specifically with that gemstone. So if you're interested in learning about a wide variety of gemstones and how they can support you in your everyday life situations, then make sure to hit the subscribe button so you'll see whenever I post a new gemstone video. Thank you for joining me, and I hope to see you again next week.